Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Excuse the appearance. Knee's been rough, had to call out of work today and spent the day in bed, but we are up. We were doing the shave I was going to do last night, but work, tired, sore. Didn't happen. So, interesting shave for you today. We've got Gravefruit 2, matching splash. And we are using this Alpha shaving design. They never made the brush. Martin Rowland from YMMV Shaves had I need to add more water to this. I think I let it get too dry or didn't add enough to begin with. Anyways, Martin Rowland had some printed up in like a grayish color, and he's like, oh dude, if you can get someone to 3D print it, you know, you can get, here's the link to the Thingiverse or whatever, however they do that stuff. I hit up DK and I'm like, hey, your buddy Roger Quintero, I think it was. I was like, is he able to do this? How much would it be? And DK's like, what color do you want? And I said, red or black, either one. And he's like, cool. Next thing you know, the brush shows up. So it's pretty sweet. I like it. 3D printed. It's not too heavy. The knot is some Oumo knot I ordered from AliExpress back in the day. Finally got a handle for it. So, get down to what we're going to use. This is a Joseph Elliott. You do see the pitting and stuff right here. And the scales kind of look like coffins. They're not original. I didn't do the scales. They were on there. I am going to sell this. I would say this is somewhere between a 6/8 and a 7/8. Lather Me Whiskers did put an edge on it, so he said it shaves really nice. So I'm excited about that. If anybody is interested in this razor, please hit me up. I will give you a good deal. Just razors I need to get rid of, way too many in the collection. And this one was never going to stay in the collection. So we did bowl lather, but I'm going to work a little in. Probably got 3 or 4 days worth of growth. And I'm sorry guys, I did do a video like Monday night or something. And the damn thing said video failed, I think is what it said. And it did not save. And I'm like, what the fudge? So we're going to get to the soap. I do love Southern Witchcraft's vegan base. I think it is awesome, guys. But I don't like the scent. It is not for me. I did put it in my bowl. Was going to shave last night and it ended up sitting out overnight. Filled the restroom with the smell. It's not as good as the original Grapefruit. I hate to say it. It's just not as good. There's like a musty odor from it. You know, and some people say grapefruit can smell like sweat to people. I have grapefruit scents that I really like, but this almost smells a little like sweat. I don't know if it's the nature of the oil they use, but it's not for me. And it seems like the base notes really pop out off the top as well. You don't just get the top. Now, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not the I'm not a scent guy really, but there's just something, maybe it's the cedar I don't like. So, but it is not for me. I think I'm actually going to sell it. Need to hydrate the soap a little better, guys. It's dry. We're going to add more water to the bowl here in a second because it is dry. You can tell by the way it left right there. Add some more water. Set the blade down. Don't touch the edge to anything. There we go. Got the hands clean. Oh, I didn't get all the way up to the sideburn. It's okay. So Nice edge. There we go. So yeah, grapefruit 2 for me, guys. It's a miss. Big time miss. Trust CDB. I don't know, man. It's not like I get the floral, but I got the original grapefruit. I've opened it up and smelled it next to it. And you get a nice grapefruit off the top and then it follows up. And this, it just feels like the base is coming through. And I'm not liking what I'm getting. Just me personally. It may be different for other people. But as for me, and guys, I've only used this brush twice now. And I'm not really good with badgers when it comes to bowl lathering. But I wanted to give it a go in the bowl lather. We got it nice and bloopy now, don't we? Messy, messy, messy shave. Go against. So like 3 days worth of growth we got going on here, guys. Keep it shallow. And when Lather Me Whiskers tests his edges now, he uses it on his head. Because he's like, dude, if it does on my head, we're gold. So, if y'all don't know, Lather Me Whiskers did his first straight razor head shave and alive with me. It was good times. I miss the good old days. I did. That's where I had an ingrown that if y'all got to see the other video, I would have talked about it. I don't know that it was an ingrown. It looked more like a pimple. Ha! That's why I hate doing it this way. Trying to get that pickup. Because when I was stretching, I could feel some hair. Not cool. Nice, guys. And I'm not going to hit the neck with the razor blade with the straight razor and try to mess with it too much because it's not what we want to do. But I do want to get a little bit more BBS on the neck. And since I already opened that up, we're going to go with the very mild razor sent to me from Harry Wong. That's really where it needs to get. I just have issues getting over that mole area. But yeah, I was sniped by Harry Wong with this. It's like a DE89 clone. I can't remember if a DE89 is as mild as this, but the DE80, this one is mild AF. So we're gonna rinse up, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, excuse me, we are back. Rinsed up the brush. I really do enjoy this. Thank you, DK. Gonna get used to the knot. It feels really jelly. I don't know if it was gel tipped or not, but I do notice that when I let it dry the last time and I get all the soap out, it got really crunchy at the tips, and I only get that with gel knots. So we shall see. We're going to use the splash, but see, we'll even give the... I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to do it on camera, it looks like. Come on. Electrical tape, get off of there. Electrical tape. Come on. Come on. Alright, we'll pause and we'll be right back because I'm having difficulties. Success! I win! I win, I win, I win! Alright. Gotta hit Maddie up today. Man, I got so much stuff to do today. And I slept a lot of it. Because the thing is, when I got days off, I gotta do something with it. Even if I am sick, or I'm not sick today, but today is definitely had a hard time walking today. So it's no big deal. Nobody worry about me. That's not what I'm saying it for. So don't need you to worry. I put this on. I don't know, man. I just don't dig it. I don't dig it. Not my thing. Joseph Elliott. Now, when I cleaned it up, I didn't take the scales off, but you don't see any visible rust or hear any crunching. There's a little darkness right there. There's patina at the toe. There's slight pitting. You see the mirror polish still. But it shaves rather nice, guys. If you are interested, hit me up. Joseph Elliott. And it doesn't have a made in England stamp, so... But it is a Joseph Elliott. Alright, guys, so we will follow it up. Mugler Cologne Fly Away. My opinion, it is very much like grapefruit in a bottle. Very enjoyable, not long lasting because most citrus scents aren't. If you watched this far, thank you. I appreciate the support. If you liked the video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. All right, guys, catch y'all later. Thank you.